Dito. Oh my gosh. Favorite time here. In-offer natin itong evidence.
So welcome to Fashionistas Silver Surfer Challenge. From 3 feet up to 80 feet, you go up and down, up, down, up, down. For 4 cycles yan. Pero hindi lang yon. So sa sudden stops niya siya, kailangan nyo mag-pose na maganda.
Kuya, hindi kami aagis pag tumigil to, Kate. Uy, safe ba to? Ah! You're right! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ba't kasama ng tao? Seryoso? Ah! I'm so sorry! I'm sorry. Fashionista Silver Surfer Challenge. Check! Woo! Sobrang... Ay! Galit. Party pa ako dito eh.